Good afternoon to everyone. My name is Dinesh Kalro, a second year MBA student from Amrita School of Business, Coimbatore. Amrita School of Business is part of the Amrita Vishwa Vidyapeetham University. My faculty guide is Assistant Professor Vinita VU from Amrita School of Business, Coimbatore. My research is titled The Influence of Website Design Quality and Sensory Impressions in Holiday Booking Websites within India. So this is the agenda for today's presentation. I'll start off talking about with a brief introduction on sensory marketing and holiday booking websites, followed by the literature review done, basis which this research is based upon, and the conceptual model. What was the research methodology adopted, and what were the analysis and findings from this research paper, followed by a few practical implications from a managerial standpoint for the firms operating in this space, and I'll also display a few key references. So, sensory marketing is a useful technique which is designed to keep the customer experience in the forefront by appealing to their senses and thereby providing meaningful and engaging experiences. The five senses are visuals, audio, smell, touch, etc. And from an online standpoint, firms cater to the senses of their customers through visuals, audio, or the quality of information that they showcase on their websites through blogs and the reviews that uh, existing customers post about the products that are leveraged through these websites. So, with the growth of internet and technology, uh, you know, holiday goers are falling upon uh, these holiday booking websites to plan their trip as a primary source of information. So, during a pre-visit phase of the holiday booking website plays a crucial role by providing information about the holiday destination itself through the visuals, blogs, and the design quality of their website. So it becomes very important for firms operating in this space to keep these key points in mind while designing their website. In addition to this, in addition to website design, if they also focus on the sensory marketing aspect, it would help firms create a niche for themselves. So this research is nothing but an attempt to study the importance of website design and sensory impressions as perceived by the users of these websites, holiday booking websites in India itself. Moving on to the literature review, an exhaustive review was done of 20 research papers. So these are, I'm just showcasing five papers, five of those papers. I'll just leave about 5 seconds for you to consume this content. So these are important papers from the sensory marketing aspect and both the tourism aspect as well. Moving on, this is the conceptual model for the study. It consists of six independent variables, which is nothing but the ease of use, quality of information, interactivity, and website design. These two features, four independent variables, focus on the website design itself, and the last two independent variables is which is the sensorial online destination brand experience and the cognitive online destination brand experience encompasses the sensory aspect of the website design. The two dependent variables are the attitude towards the holiday booking website and the intention to visit and recommend the holiday destination listed on these websites. Moving on to the research methodology, the research methodology adopted was quantitative in nature. It consisted of a survey instrument that was leveraged using Google Forms and administered, floated out to the users of these holiday booking websites within India. So this survey was floated among the users who had leveraged these websites to plan their vacation in the recent past. So the number of responses received to the form was about 264, and they were primarily from South India. The respondents were in the 18 and above age group, and like I spoke about the independent and dependent variables, the 6 independent variables were measured using an 18 survey questions, and the 2 dependent variables were measured using 7 survey questions. So, what were the findings from the data analysis and the results? Since this research study involved 2 dependent variables, a multivariate test was conducted by leveraging IBM's SPSS software. So, the table on the left hand side showcases the results from the multivariate test, and the table on the right hand side talks about the sampling adequacy results followed by the Barclay's test of significance. So from the visual on the right hand side, we could see that the sampling adequacy is about 0.932, which is a good number and categorized as marvelous, which means the data received is is good and fit for data analysis. And we also see that the significance result is about 0.000, which is also less than 0.05, which is a good number. I'll be switching back and forth through to the table on the left hand side, and followed by the next slide, just to take you through the findings of the data analysis. So from this table, we could see that sensorial online destination brand experience and cognitive online destination brand experience have a significant relationship with both the dependent variables, that is the attitude towards the website and the intention to visit and recommend the holiday destination listed, as we see that the alpha value is less than 0.05, which is verified by this table. And we see that quality of information has a significant relationship with one of the dependent variables alone, which is the attitude towards the website. So the hypothesis, we could see that 2 of the hypotheses were completely accepted, which was nothing but H5 and H6, whereas one of the hypotheses, H2, was partially accepted as it had a significant relationship with one of the dependent variables alone. So what are the practical implications for firms operating in this space from a managerial standpoint? So for brands operating in the space within India, could incorporate these results by focusing on the sensory cognitive impressions along with the quality of information listed on their website to strategize better and create a niche for themselves in the competition. So a holiday booking website is the first source of information for users. Hence it becomes really important for brands to design the website creatively, keeping the customer experience at the forefront. So when they leverage the sensory aspect, which is the sensory and cognitive impressions, they could create an engaging customer experience, which would help create, have a lasting effect amongst their users. The existing companies could improve their website design basis these results to attract new users and create a loyal customer base for themselves. So by incorporating high quality visuals, authentic information regarding the destination listed on their website through blogs, videos, etc., and engaging the customer senses while they use the website, this will help new entrants in this space gain acceptance amongst the users and compete strategically with other companies as well. So just to give you a sense of what a holiday booking website is all about, this can be compared to an Airbnb since it has an international brand recognition. I'm using the example of Airbnb. So in India, we could relate to a holiday booking website like a yatra.com, etc., where it not only helps you make hotel reservations, it plans your travel itself. So it gives you deals through offering discounts on the stay, food, on your air ticket. Along with it helps you gain a glimpse of the holiday destination itself through their blogs, through videos that are listed on their websites, and also it helps you see customers who have already experienced the holiday in these destinations, to see what are their reviews all about, and interact with them and gain better knowledge, so that their holiday is experienced at its best. So this is nothing but a holiday booking website. So these are the key references that this research is based upon. I'll just leave about 5 seconds to consume this content. So that's it from me. This was my presentation all about. Thank you for listening, and I hope you have a good day ahead.